Ayun, medyo malapit na tayo sa work. Siguro mga 10-minute walk pa. So, kalahati pa. Ayan. So, I am approaching the train track. Ayan. This is the downtown. This downtown, the old Camrose, the old city of Camrose. But there's another nice town. They created it just recently. It's called Grand Drive. Dito rin yan sa Camrose. Downtown here is really old. Well, when I entered a Vietnamese restaurant to eat, and I was able to talk to the owner, he said na his restaurant was put up in the year 1950s when they immigrated here in Canada. And the smell is really old, but the food is nice, but I don't like the smell. So I took out my food, and there's a bowling alley there. It's called Tubbs Lanes and Lounge. Yeah. This is the Camrose. Gloomy, sad, boring, but I love it here. It's the cost of living is not that high. Yeah, because how can I go out when I don't have a car? Do I have to walk just to go to McDonald's? I don't want to order online. It's a waste of money. I'd rather cook. I'd rather starve. Downtown. Ayun, malapit na. Like 5-minute walk. And then, ayun na. So, ang dami ng daycare dito sa Camrose. Ito nga, medyo magkalapit yung work ko at saka itong daycare ng kalaban. Hindi naman kalaban. Well, siguro competition na rin yan. So, kalaban na rin. Matatawag siguro. But anyway, wala namang bad blood sa kanila. So, itong isang to, yung may bitong building na to. Yan. Where's my finger? Ayan. Yan ay sa what's this? The church yung pag-may-ari, pero Pinoy din yung may-ari. Itong daycare na to. Ayan, ang tawag sa kanya ay Cornerstone Kids Zone. Namali pa ako ng daan. Ay, ito na. Natawid na ako. Hirap tumuwid. Yan. Wala pang mga sasakyan. But I think very soon magiging ma-traffic na rin dito. Walang traffic sign dito. Pero mabait naman yung mga driver. Kasi dito sa Canada, pag nakitang may tatawid, nag-i-stop sila pag walang mga traffic sign. Ganun. Parang Malaysia, Singapore. Parang sarap sanang i-adapt ng mga Pilipino, no? Pero kasi sa Pinas, laging nag-uunahan sa kalsada. Makauwi, makapasok, lagi nagmamadali. Parang lahat may diarrhea. Yan. Okay. Ayan na. Mga 3 minutes na lang, nasa loob na tayo ng work. Yan, ito yung work ko yan. Uy, andito na si Bossing, kararating lang. Uy, ang putik. Yeah. Ito yan, butterfly kisses. Andito na tayo sa loob. Papasok sa loob, I mean. Yan. Buti hindi natuloy ang ulan. Yan, meron tayo dito. Playground. Sa mga bata, 17 kids ang kakasya. Ayan. Another gate na may dapat lagi nakalak para yung mga bata hindi makalabas. Kasi pag nakalabas yan, ako ang laking problema. Sarado tiyak ang daycare. So ito. Tapos ayan na tayo. Finally. Okay, ito na. Ito yung mga sapatos sa mga bata. Ito yung mga outside shoes. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung sensory room. Yan, stop muna tayo dito.